It's Curious King, you know what I mean?
Oh,
Talk to them, baby.
You're the type of boy that every girl wants to meet. But what the hell I'm for the house when you start with them in the streets? My youth, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl I'm so rough? Oh no, hey, why you're dangerous? Why you dealing with them girl I'm so tough? Oh no, hey, I say you sting like a bee, but you flow like a butterfly. First part relationship, I used to tell myself that there couldn't be a better guy. Now I'm about to take a flight. I'm so tired of the sleepless night. Now everything start come to light. Instead of love me right now, you want to fight. Young boy, you're dangerous. Why you dealing with the girl I'm so rough? No, hey.
And you're the type of girl that every man wants to know. Hell and powder off when them really get to know you. Young girl, you're dangerous. Why you deal with eyes so rough? Girl, you're dangerous. Girl, you're too dangerous. I give love and you gave hate in return. Next time I meet a pretty girl, at least my lesson I will learn. Pretty face with the devilish mentality. I'm telling you, it's like it's a fatality.
Oh, where you go?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
So you at also tonight though?
So Warren, if me have to, the thing is wrong with that.
Like you have grow fast in your eyelash. Cause this one them left your eyelash short, so now them bang
But they stay.
You go though.
Let me go then.
How was the day?
Did nice.
We got a bang today now.
You know, so talking about bank. Me have something to ask you.
Yeah.
Why my name though in your bank book or in your bank book?
Well, there's a thing me I consider, but once bitten, twice shy. Right? Because about 10 years ago, we not talk about my past relationship them too much, right? Me have an ex named Natasha. And my ex Ray. Put her name in my account at the time. Right? Just get one big deal, one big contract, all that money. Large all money when for me. Large in the account.
Yeah.
I go on work one morning. By the time I come back, no clothes, no hard. She planned everything.
So she run off with the money?
She just fly out of the country.
That's crazy.
With the whole of money and through nobody business like the government then can't help me because they can't extradite her back from where she gone over the world, right? And they don't know exactly where she go. You know what I mean? This is my family member, they don't want to deal with me. Me check with the brother saying that he for now, so we can't talk about it with the call today and call the last. So say that now, it make me hard to say I put a woman name in my account.
What?
Knowing say they can take out the money.
Look here. Me wanna do that because me a good man. Me rather help you put money in the bank account more than take the money out of the bank account.
Well, if any day, name day, you push out a picnic for me, but I know so that picnic will carry my last name, I put your name in the account. Because I know so if you take up money and you run off, you go carry the baby with you. So the baby go be a beneficiary.
Yeah, benefit the baby out.
Yeah, so I know so you're not going to run off when and left the baby. So if you get a picnic for me today, your name go in the account to them. I think that's fair enough. Because when the ex run off, she run off and not a chick or a child. She just run off without no, so we have no ties to her. She don't have no reason to contact me at all, so I'm not here for her. Because today.
Yeah.
I 8 years down the line before we meet you. We here for her one time. You know what I mean? And by accident. She called my phone because she have my number on my phone and come by accident. Way back for her. But everything good though. The money there don't not gone, but just still survive. And if she never gone, I'm gonna meet you, said we. Right?
That's
so everything
right.
good, man. So we not worry about that still.
Right.
So what plans are tonight? You call the markets.
Did.
It's like the Manila. And line have a problem with it and it's overeat a little bit. But you can't drive, go going on place have dinner or something, man. Because I tell you that you're house thing, you know. When I lock up in the house, so every time the night just nice just know. Now I got muffin. I can't go see my life come stay. Go to school, go have one go dinner. Buy something in your life. Like, you know, you go to a key.
No problem. No problem. I kind of feel hungry now still.
Come on.
Play a game.
Wait.
After the just daddy said me. Can you know?
Come and ask her what kind of weather blow you were on and stuff. Oh, to them. I don't say I have the money right now. Somewhere I go forward until the dad say, Juta saying I have the money right now. Probably the second or the third him get a piece of food.
Tell her the truth though, the Uncle Juta, that you really need the money right now. And that's why he said we come find. So I don't know what you're going to do.
We the same girl that when me and her go to same school.
Look, girl. Why you go back over here and tell your father say, me Juta said me have no money. I look what work me I do, you know. And we in a farm, nobody know I'm working them yet. Because the worker right now, he grow up back again fast. So them wait till the rain can ease up work everything one time. Me now have no money. So go on back and tell the father anything. Come here and have it.
Some can't fear behave so. Me just simply come here and talk to you nice. You know, so they have to make daddy pay notice though. Me need lunch money if you go to school. Have a nice day.
So daddy, what we are going to do now?
I don't know what you do, you know.
Me and the girl go to same school now with the same class and I don't want to think of him so I will ask Auntie Natasha if she can help us.
Let me tell you something. I don't want to have to call nobody and beg them for help me do nothing. You know. Your auntie overseas, we call them. You want them to see help you know.
True, daddy at 10 years now, she over there. She must can help something. She must can do something for your family.
Me got some savings and me can use it to go to school this week. You don't have to give me no money for go to school. But we can call Auntie Natasha and get some help from her.
You don't really want to do that. You don't really want to do that.
Just do that, daddy. And just ask her what we hear what she has to say. Just call her daddy and see what she has to say.
If you true, nothing try, nothing done. You can get the money from her if you borrow. When you work, you can give her it back. Hi Jutta, hi Bob, what's going on?
Where are you going with my sister?
Just here. It's rough.
You know what I say? Running into some problems, star. You see, in a look at depth, you see? I'm going to say, I could get the money from you for borrow until I work it up, but I send it back come give you. I want you to pay the rent.
Bro, right now I'm literally starving with my daughter here. I don't have it physically. I pay the rent, pay the council tax, pay the bills, everything else, and there's nothing for me to give to you. I physically don't have it. If I had it, I would have sent it to you. Long time. You wouldn't even have to ask me for it.
They want to give me and the people them notice, you know.
Don't have it. I'm sorry, Jutta.
Alright, hang up.
Like what I was saying. He just really needs to get, like, a job.
Anyway, it's so weird this time. Why would I even give him my money? I have money, Sasha, but I wouldn't give it to him. Literally, he takes me for a dickhead. Yeah, why has he got a job? Anything. Go sell some bad juice, you know, do something to try and get the money. But this man, he's just sitting down thinking because he's got people in London or America, he can just do what he wants and ask for money. I'm not giving people like him my money. I have it, but I'm not.
He needs to get a
Job. He's just so worthless. Like,
Sister!
he's so
Sister!
Jutta. Jutta, I'm sorry. It's
everything alright, man. See, you hear what you say? I'll let you have it and argument. I say a word, man. Alright.
I'm sorry, oh shit.
You look for your laptop, chill, on phone all the time. That 10 minutes we not even one word, nobody knows say. You can't take a boring place, I turn on some music, man.
The latest episode.
Latest episode.
Jutta, hello.
Go look at who that, man. Go look at who that, man.
Who that?
That's my brother. I have a brother. His name is Jutta.
Oh, my sister.
Come in, auntie.
Wow. It's so hot. Like literally. Hello. Good day, good day. Hi, Jutta. Hi,
What's up? Come with me and say, where you find me?
Oh, someone showed me where you live.
Oh, man.
Hi. Bro, you need to know what happened to me. I'm so sorry when I left and
Oh, my God. Oh, God.
how things was and I'm just genuinely so sorry. Like my nieces, my nephew, they.
Where I say, what one? No long me no see you. Oh, you find, where you find
I'm
yourself?
so sweaty.
Where you find yourself?
I'm so sweaty, baby. Stop it.
Yo.
Oh, is this little Bobby? Hey, you grown up. This life
to see you.
So where you say now, girl?
Oh,
Look at
bro.
past you.
It's been a long journey. I'm sweaty. Sorry about that.
Where are they? Where are you?
Can I sit down?
You want to sit down, man?
It is so hot. It's tiring. Basically, as you can see, that's my daughter.
You see you go get her daughter and sitting here.
They've deported me, basically.
They deport you?
That's just the bottom line here. Like, they dipped me.
So which part you live now?
I have nowhere to go, bro. Family that I've been to, went to, shut their door, pretended that they weren't even there. Like, I don't...
You can't tell me something. Because you're ungrateful. And that's why you're ungrateful, girl. You dash to everybody, you go foreign, you run away. Dash to everybody. Say, what you expect the people to do? Me I do the same thing too.
Why?
So where you come by yourself? Where you come by yourself now? Bob, see baby I go out this or there.
Why are you acting like that, bro? Why are you behaving like that with me?
Bob, come in back to the babies. No, I ask them, where you come for? Where you come for?
I don't have anywhere else to go, please.
Anywhere else to go? Oh, so you come yourself. You come yourself if it's clear yourself.
I'll do anything. I don't have anywhere with
No,
my daughter.
no, you can't stay yourself. You can't stay yourself. When they're there foreign, you know. 10 years they're there foreign for. When your brother, Jota, me, call you, you give somebody else the phone. Last time I call you, you know what happened? You never hang up the phone. I hear you know. I'm not giving you any money, baby, blah, blah. You must go and look better. Me hear you on the phone, you know. You can't stay yourself.
That was a different me.
You can't stay yourself, you girl.
Jota. Are you still gonna hold that against
Do
me,
a chips
bro?
there, do a chips there. You know, you saw me and my family I live comfortable and nice.
I won't get in anyone's way. Please
no,
help
I
me out.
told you to
Your
chip there outside
knees.
and
Think
eat.
about your knees.
No, my niece. I know, say, come to think about it. I baby, me I go save you for do. I think you actually cry. I just to the baby, you know. Me I go give you a chat, but yo, me don't want to hear what you say. This is what I say. Same mama and same dad. This is what I say. You have to go look at work. Me I give you a blind to stay here. You know what I'm saying? You have to go look at work. And you have to go pay rent and buy your own food. You know what I'm saying? So you can go and stay on a back room on the stuff. But no follow me up. You hear that? No follow me up. Find your own food.
Why
And no
you
follow me up. You hear me say?
like-
Alright.
But why are you dealing with me like this? What have I ever done so bad, Jita? I still love you as my brother. I'm sorry about that. Excuse me. Oh, thank you, niece. I'm just so grateful that you let me stay here even after all this. And I'm not ungrateful, I'm very grateful. I'm so happy that you guys are so grown up, and anything I can do, I'll do and help. Thank you for welcoming me into the house. I won't get in anyone's way.
Good night, babe. I see you enjoy yourself though. What you tell about this here? And the smoking.
No, yet. I just want me take out of him, just burn one each day because I tell myself I burn 1 pack, 2 pack a day again. So I cut down to 1 a day or 2. Maybe I'll 5.
You know, when you talked to me yesterday, But you really feel sick. You want your name in the account for you.
But me want in the future.
No, but if you really about them cigarette, you know, the mark Panny said, if you want to get impregnated and you burn that, it's gonna kill your fertility.
God no?
That kill your fertilizer in your body. You don't have no picnic left when you don't burn that.
No,
yeah?
me not burn no more, man. Me not burn no more.
Because that's the reason why I think that it now work. Because after me have done up my juice and me know some me have use. Right? And me have what's the name again? Dr. Jack. Even after me take 2 Dr. Jack. Right? So me know some me have fire. But still, we don't see no picnic a jump out. So anyway, we know it goes. We know them things is kind of sensitive, but the thing them where you eat, you see them say, oh you eat the cornflakes and something there, you have to change from it.
We go put it
You have to start eat some greens, some cantaloupe, some pak chai, some cucumber, some chocho, some guava, some plum. Watch out. How you watch out?
Me can't eat something everything greens. That's not. Me not animal. Me.
Oh you watch out on the TV. Look here, look on the TV here. Nobody. Look at the news here watch.
Me not go on and this the
Look at the news here watch.
Get up on them greens.
Alright.
I'm not used to it.
Anyway, if I pick you up off of the road and this and how you eat. But me not force you to eat what you eat. But still be considerate, right? No one sense you know so watch out. But for you something wrong, you know. You can eat you look at things the way you used to, but put in some of the greens them man. Because when I think about teacher now, when the baby in your belly and the baby has certain things and you're not having your belly, you'll start sick.
Me know that, yeah.
But if you have it in your belly already, you go just eat it and consume it and nice. So you go search all them things, the natural things there. Not too much of the process.
Look here, every baby like natural stuff, so you have to see with that. When you're pregnant, right? You have to work with what the baby wants and what you want, because I could even love conflicts now, right? When I'm pregnant, the baby might not like that. You want something else.
Yeah, you go on pop chow and callaloo.
And after that, the baby can need even something else, but maybe not that.
Let me tell you one thing.
Me pick this that a goat.
I come from a
Goat
natural set of family trait.
Me too,
right?
but follow them.
Yeah man. So me I tell you will see what I go on when it come. Cause when the pretty barn go and say, Ja! Rastafari. Yeah man, of them
Rastafari.
yeah man, of them finna jump out. Yeah? When they jump out, he go say, Mommy, don't come here again, make it naughty. Man look like daddy. Yeah man, that is it man.
You must see man.
So how was the day different though?
The day did alright. Come there, I watch TV. And my friend there come over, but I tell her we can't reach over there right now.
After the action we were going with last night, you know, we're up on the road and I tell you, I drive the market and I remember some things were going in my car. The boy turn up stiff and I say, yo, cut that out. They run off a road and I think, boy, but anyway, I'm the woman now. So tonight, we go burn down the place. But anyway, before we go to the door, you know, so today I go through the town and like same girl I tell about the ex, my ex. Me sight a girl, yeah, me sight a girl in the town. I say you know her name.
But I did tell me before.
Me sight someone in the town. For this stand though. For away.
Yeah.
We don't look a baby. Favor her, you know? But things that she gets fatter now when we know her, but she just looks similar. But I drive past. Me not stop still. But she just bring back me say, oh, that girl is wicked. Hey, if I tell her how much money girl run off with, you know. Drop down. $10 million girl run with, you know.
10 who?
Yeah man, $10 million. I never my money, you know.
Christ.
So me end up have to sell some dead left things when I get me have to sell land. I have to sell the house when I start build. That's why I then rent house and I try to struggle out there. But come out at America, guess why? Good news today. Today, we get a deal for $5 million. So yes, so the money soon shipping. That's why yesterday that is not about the account. Because the money go straight to my account.
Oh, nice.
You understand?
So
but enough for me the full money though, you know.
Yeah.
It's a project. No, it's a project. So more get something out of it, more get maybe like 3 million out of it. Out of my 3 million, you know, so you have maybe 1 million you get out of it yourself.
On who?
Take 1 million. 1 million out of it.
Can I get 1.5? Now you get 1.5 or 3 million.
No, you want to know. Reason I get 1 million, you know, say smart. You go turn that 1 million
In 100 million.
into, yeah, alright, that is the aim, right? So you go start on like a business today or whatever, get yourself a car out of the business and then they develop on it, alright? Anyway, I'm kind of dirty, I know, you know, so I'm man, I'm coming that night for small on the bed, for me touch or nothing, right? Alright, so far. If you want jam, you can jam, I can wash my back.
I'm not too long bed still, so
That's not time for out, I shall wash my back.
nice, yeah.
Oh, baby, I'd love to help you wash the plate, but I'm allergic to the soap powder and the washing up liquid.
Okay, no problem. I will wash them.
Right, I'd love to help you.
Okay.
What did you say?
She said she's allergic to the powder. The soap powder.
Yes, man. Wash the plate, then, man. Man.
Hey, bro. What's for dinner today?
What?
What's for dinner today?
Yeah, that's so soft.
I said, hey, bro. What's for dinner today?
Tell you the truth, I know some now money I know go. One girlfriend, woman can give me some money and she never save me can save me can get money for her life, you know. I so come down with it.
Okay, bro. I'll see if I can give the baby something to eat. Even though I shouldn't feed her on an empty stomach when I'm breastfeeding. You know?
Do what you have to do, man.
Alright.
Baby come first, you know.
That's so true. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, bro. Come on, Desire. Let me give you some bookie. Okay? Yeah. So I'm in the sitting room, bro.
Yeah, man. Hello. Yeah. When I get where I deal with my money right now? Cause at 3 times now I walk a yard in Pan Street, you know. I'm gonna get no money, you know. 3 times now I walk a yard now. A time now for me get the money, man. Me I'll pass down there and say I'll party I keep. I'm gonna say nothing. I'm gonna make you look. No, to them, make sure say I can find my money in the evening, you know. You hear me, Choice? I don't know say you pay your court's bill, or you pay your partner, whichever way you want to do and where you want to do, but want to my money them. To them want my money in the evening, to them. You hear me say? Yeah, man. Just send me money come, or you carry my money come myself. Me over me yard away from my thing.
Where's the father?
Stay in the house. Let me call you, please.
Alright, thanks.
Daddy! Daddy! Yo, somebody will talk to you. That's it. Come on.
Good day, sir. Mommy said that I should give you this. Sorry. Mommy said I must give you this, Actually, have big plans for you, but she also say sorry for the late giving her the money because some things did come up at the time, so she feel a bit picky. But she have big plans for you still to give her money.
She always late, man. So she won, but I can't stay, yeah.
Yeah, so though she not care right now. She ever shame to come out because they can't.
No, watch no, man. Till I say everything alright, man. Yeah.
Have a lovely day, yeah?
Same thing.
Oh, and again, she did want to give more money and everything, and she did want she did have to do more than that until they got through. But I just lifestyle.
Watch no, man. I say your mother gone. She always come in. We link up, man, yeah.
She always late to over there, so.
I say how man. Tell her hi, yes.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright. Boy, make a money today now. Boy, come here, come go shop, come buy me.
You get money, Daddy?
What kind of meat you want?
Daddy, you know, so if I can buy some mixed parts.
Alright. Buy two, well, buy 4 pounds, because when them next day, we're going to have more. Buy 4 pounds of mixed parts, one vegetable island, because we'll fry them in a morning time. 1 pepper, we have seasoned already, and we have other things in there. I'm just for buy. 4 pounds of mixed
4
parts.
pounds of mixed parts, 1 island, coconut oil.
Yeah, we have rice and everything already.
And pepper.
Yeah.
So let me buy one juice too.
Change have a left. Think so me can't come?
Alright, Daddy.
Say one slow, I'm send you. Sun out there and walk up fast, not fella. You give your sister time, man, until I put on the pan. You give your sister time, man.
Sister.
Just put it over this. You're not finishing up your habit. Eh?
You don't wake here.
Oh, alright.
Come with a don't cook.
Any juice? Please. Okay, we'll get you juice.
Yes, please.
Excuse me, my little lovely niece. Can I have some more chicken, please?
And you remember when we did ask them to go ahead and wash the plate, they might give me excuse.
Okay, niece, you don't need to be like that.
Sister, you have to just go all the way up and take that. I saw it up when you analyze the family. Remember, say when we are growing up, our dumpling that much butter, we get our clap that, you know.
True.
Come on, mom.
So true, I understand that. Thank you, bro. I'm sorry.
You don't understand now. Because if you don't understand, you don't try to go out there and look at work, say you can contribute and the food is more enough. Bring my food, I come.
But bro, I just got deported. I've just come here. Give me a chance to get a job, to get even look in work, to go and look some work.
Why don't you not let you be able to ring me and go and go look at work?
I will do that.
Yeah, that if you do.
Alright. Why liberties get taken?
Me father.
This is what I set myself up for. This is what I set myself up for. Liberties get taken. I love to play this game. Show you?
You want to solve these thoughts, man. I tell me no, it's too boring. It's too loaded. And then we sit down here and I say, nothing at all, you know. If you have 1 hour straight. And then phone and then something there, 6.
Yeah, what do you mean? When I was in London, me and my friend, we made big money and lost big money on this game.
Big money?
What do you mean big money?
Like,
What do you mean?
like 50,000 pounds, 100,000 pounds, isn't it?
50, 100,000 pounds?
That's nothing.
50,000 pounds. 100,000 pounds.
And we in Jamaica are dead for hungry. And you mean you play game and lose lot of money like that? And we right here, dead for hungry. Your nieces and your nephew and your brother. Are you serious right now?
That was back then.
No, auntie, no. Are you serious?
I am. It was back then in London. That was a long
can't
time
believe
ago,
this.
girl.
The same time.
You know what?
The time back then in London, when I over London,
We don't
we
play.
did a
We don't play no
same
more.
time.
We finished playing one
Why
year.
are you acting like this? Come on.
We were dead for hunger.
So this is what I'm saying. That was back then in London.
Auntie, if they overseas, say I tell me say they overseas, I lose so much money with all they want. You can have send £100 on your auntie, come your brother. Making carry you start one little business.
You know what? Me end this again. Auntie, I can't believe you. I cannot believe you right now.
I'm not.
Don't even touch me.
I'm not proud of myself, Chuta, for how I behaved back then. I was young.
No,
I was
I
foolish.
expect better from you. There's too much money and we out there.
I'm
One them the
sorry.
kind of money there.
I wasn't even thinking. Please forgive me. I didn't mean it. Please, just forgive
See it now?
me.
You see who we are for running up? We, the same block Papa family. And it don't look good to you now. The last year you start playing a game with the kind of man. A dry short reason this. Buy some liquor too. They come like a joke thing this for you.
Seriously, auntie. That you have to walk out much yard just to get the money for me and sister to go to school and the money not to be enough. And you could have said, look, money come give you and you have so much money over this play for you. Man, you could stop the game. I'm not to understand how they play this game. You expect better Friday, auntie. You expect better Friday. You better than
They're alright. Look what I did. I wasn't thinking back then. And it's them I had to come back.
Auntie.
Yes.
You can't believe me have my ties and baby mash up my ties.
What toys?
The ties that my father buy give me.
What are you talking about, Bob?
You have to go buy it back.
I don't understand what you mean my baby mashed up your toy.
You see the truck when my father buy give me?
Yeah.
The baby drop it and mash you up.
I'm sorry about that, but how much does it cost?
Me I go want it back. Me I go need
Bob,
it back.
you cannot be taking up that tone with me, Bob.
Buy that.
Yeah, but I
You know
said
how
I would buy it back,
it?
Bob. What toy? I don't even see the toy
She should
that
take up in her first place.
Bob, why are you taking that tone with me?
She should take you up in her first
Why
place.
have you got that attitude?
She should take you up in her first
She's
place.
a baby. That's what they do.
Me not
Play. You should
care.
have put up
Me
your
not
toy,
care. Me
Bob.
put it up so
Why
how
did
she
you
get-
left
What's
it
wrong?
so
What's
playlist?
wrong? Come
How
on.
she get-
Because you put
how
it
she
down
get
so
it?
playlist, Bob.
What is going on here?
Basically, he's saying that my daughter broke his toy, but if he had put the toy properly away, she wouldn't have been able
Bro,
to
you need to
reach
calm
it.
down.
Now tell me if you calm down. Where she a doing
You
the
need
thing?
to calm
Where she a
down.
climb for?
Thank
Where
you.
she a climb for?
Attitude,
Where she a
right?
climb for? Me no know.
Bob, calm down.
Calm
Why are you
down.
having
Calm
this
down.
attitude with me?
Easy. Easy, bro.
I haven't
Easy.
even seen it from you. What? Come on.
You're a dirty deportee.
What?
You're a dirty
Easy.
deportee. No,
Did
tell me,
you
no,
feel
tell me
like-
no.
what
Don't tell
did you
me
just
no.
say to
Don't
me?
tell me
What
no.
did you just
Don't
say
tell me
to
no.
me?
You're a dirty deportee.
Who you calling dirty
You.
deported?
You.
Do you know
You.
anything about me,
You.
Bob? You're
You.
just a little piss and tail boy. Have you forgotten? Who are you talking to?
You me a talk to.
You could never
You
be
me a
talking
talk
to. You just wait and see, you little bastard. Who does he think he is saying that I'm a deported?
okay,
You don't know how to fucking work.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's go.
You know say you me come to talk to. You know say a while ago me down a yard there me and auntie catch up.
Make sure you're not fooling this, you know, because you see me I work hard for my money right now, you know. What happened now?
Me down there a while ago, me simple tell her say I baby mash up my ties that you buy give me. And she know she a tell me say if me did put it down good she would catch it. She not too sure I take up in her first place. She see one place she don't trouble it.
Which one I ties them she mash up?
Big chuck you buy give me in pop up. In pop up some things on fire. You know why I have to see you know about me I talk to auntie I raise the invoice off of me. I lick off of me, I have to run go to the door.
What? Lick off for you? I should even appear. Come.
I don't understand why your brother is like that. Why is he behaving like that?
Yo, let me give you a piece of my money. Yeah. You're not paying no rent. You come for a friend, you come here. Yeah, and I'm free. You hear me say I do? Yeah, and I'm free.
okay, my bro, but why you
Me
behaving?
no want.
I don't do anything.
Me no want. Yo, listen, oi. Sit down. Me no want hear out of your mouth and my time for talk now. No chap. My time for talk now. Excuse out of my face. You know what I say? Let me tell you this now. Enough time they are foreign. I'll call you from Jamaica. When you see call from Jamaica, when you think of money we are beg. Me there, me no want hear, come on. Me there, I work, waka, to take care of my family. You hear me I tell you say? Waka me I work to take care of my family. When you dep on your eye, on your that, and me send come call me for your money, they'll give somebody else the phone to tell them say, you know, there. I gotta do something. No play with me, no play around me things. Nothing for me no play with. A matter of fact, I time for you leave now. No. Pack up.
So where am I gonna go?
Pack up your things them
Where
and
am
come
I
out
gonna
here.
go? I didn't do him anything. He came in here, let me explain and then I can go. I don't understand why he said my daughter broke his truck. I said, okay then, I will pay for it.
Say lick off on the picnic.
He called me a dirty
Put me stand up
deported.
here so now. Lick off fire, baby.
You could never have died dead before dishonor. What
come
you
take up your
talking
bag,
about?
come
I
take
will.
up your bag,
But
girl.
literally he said to me, a dirty deported. Is that how you raise your son?
What you mean?
You called me a
You
dirty
get
deported.
Deport and come to Jamaica.
Oh,
you should have walked
so
on
he
a
can
chalk
style-
line in a youth.
So he can style me and you can style me. I don't need to take this shit. I'm getting out of your house anyway. And remember, revenge knows everyone's door.
No want to hear nothing, man. Just come, man. Sorry, say baby, I come up, but
Don't
come up,
worry.
man. Come, man.
Don't worry. We're gonna survive.
Here's your bag.
Don't worry.
Yo, sorry, I got a bus stop, you know, because I work. And see, oi, stay up on chalk line too, you know. You hear me say, boy?
Yes, daddy.
Yes, man, time.
I'm gonna miss you, my niece, but let's go. Thank you. Thank you for your hospitality. Thanks. Let's go. Hi Cody, it's Natasha. I've just been the Hi Keisha, it's me, Natasha. Yeah, from I was there. I just got deported. Can you? You know what, niece? It's okay. I'm okay here. I'll be fine. Okay? Sure. I'm sure.
Goodbye, Auntie.
I miss you. Thank you for your hospitality.
Bye, Desire.
Thanks. I can find one more person. Would he forgive me? Lord, please help me. I don't know what to do. Okay.
You good, babe?
Yeah, my good.
Alright, I'm going to hold on fast, baby.
May I go on the road here?
Where, sir? You have a though?
May I go on the road here?
Where exactly are you?
I don't go for the straight on the road, may I go. Just let me the car key, let me go and come back. That's all right. Even though I really match this, I'm not in a car.
Here we are now. Remember, drive slow.
Always.
You see, look here, man. Look here. I'm saying last time you get the car up on the main road, you know. Watch your boyfriend, we can overtake you. Zoom.
Yeah, they doesn't stay. Talk about it.
And lick up in the people them car. You can't have a bag of money. But anyway, take your time, drive slow. Wait now. Before you go. Check off what money you have in the jar just so and just put it up before you go. Here. Before you just check off the money. Here. Just check off it and just write one note and let me all that be.
Alright.
Alright.
Tomorrow go on the road and make me a check money. I'm gonna bring my bag there. I need to match out. So, bring this black bag. What else do I have to do before we leave the car? Who is that? Who is that?
Hello, is this where Fire lives?
Yes.
Good night. This is his sister from London.
Okay, come talk. Tell me a little more about his sister from London.
Yeah, just surprised you. Known each other from we've been very small. Grew up together as well, you know? And then I flew away to London, England.
Oh. So is this a surprise or you already knew that you're coming?
It's a surprise.
Yes.
Babe. Your sister's here from London. No, but me have about the sister come here from London. Me have know so. Yeah.
I'll see you when we get back.
Alright.
Same to you.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, Auntie.
Alright, well, I'll be back.
I'll see you later. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, let's surprise Fire. Now let's sit down.
Hi.
Yay! See that?
Daddy can't smoke a cigarette in here.
You know want something we can dust on them cupboard there. You don't want something really round the back, you want something like this. Hold that there.
Hold on.
Oh, girl, look how woman.
Who?
See how put the door shut the door inside.
Like that. Come here and do it there to go.
Get this something and get them some of them off for a while.
Alright. You know, so come here for what about your son though?
Me the boy see me on the road. And the boy come and check on me about how he boy back speed on my face, you know. And them things say. I don't know this boy from Adams, I don't do nothing. And I call me dirty girl.
My son.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't think my son is doing things with you, know. I don't feel say I do them things, but I know when I call him and I can ask him what I want to call. You can't bother with the problem, you know. Yo, boy! Come out here, someone. Do the same thing.
Good night.
Good night. After you half a woman licking her face and them something there.
Me daddy, me not half no looking at her face, daddy. Where you get the news as well?
You see true, me know you tan. Girl, you're the landlord daughter and everything still. I mean, I don't want to get it out of proportion still, but we kind of quash it down right now. You see me? Cause you see, me don't want it reach no further. You get me? Me don't want it reach no further. And yell up your father for me when you go. Please.
Me not cause no problem with Uncle Juta. Where some know say your son, me that never disrespect him in no way. And he might disrespect me.
How me disrespect you? Tell me how me disrespect you. Come in no way I can't afford disrespect.
I'm going.
Daddy, nothing what she said, nothing what she said.
Go in.
You can't listen to her. You must
Go in, man. Go in, man.
You don't lie, man.
Me never bang around, you know, Mr. Juta.
Fix this, man. You see?
Mr. Girl be like stay to myself.
Don't worry yourself, man. Everything, you never
Alright.
see my child again. Yeah.
Rest up, me tell daddy say you live up.
Yeah, man. Lucky gate to me. You see, yo? You know what I'm saying? No sense, though.
What I want me to do?
It's short or something, man. Let me keep look down there.
Daddy, me never look the way, daddy. Me look the way, them looking around the time, daddy.
Then we have to look that way then. You know, if you look how we have to pay in the rain. I learned that, you know. It's short or something, man.
True,
You don't have no sense, daddy.
Shut up, man. Shut up.
You don't have no sense.
Nobody
You.
talk to you.
You don't have no sense.
Daddy, you have counselor, you know.
Counselor, you.
Yeah,
Wonder if you cut out like me now. You cut out like me?
Yeah, talk. What she are doing there?
Well, look, you should have a looking girl. You don't have no sense.
Why you not go look at man and talk to them?
No, what you say, so go look at me.
Alright, man. You think no something on firewall yet?
Daddy,
No,
you
you
know,
chat
you
and
know,
they give you tough chat.
You don't see me go this, you could do it. Just big and lazy, daddy.
And you big and lazy.
That should see me, man.
We have to surprise him.
Yes. Only your love can set you.
Hi, fire.
10 years ago, you look different, but I can't tell you, sir. You know, I'm see what you're in the road down, so I'm assuming, I wonder if Natasha that, one woman there. She gone?
She left. I told her that I was your sister from London.
What may I say
We grew
now?
up together.
You know, see, you're brave though. You're brave, you know.
I still love you.
You run off with all of my money, Keba? Money, Naga?
No,
How much money you pay on this job?
fire. It's not the money.
Wait, $10 million a day.
Fire. That was 10 years ago. I was young.
One thing I never tell you though. One thing I want to tell you this. Well, last time I talked to you on the phone, I never tell her, say, there's a detective with them on the case for the money where you steal. Because I have to sell all of my things then. Or you find it, or you don't say something there.
Someone showed me and said where the Mark X park outside. That's where you live, and they brought me straight here.
So what baby do?
Well, her dad has passed on. It's my baby.
I wonder if I said this to the father now I'm making this.
I wouldn't set him up. He was in a car crash on holiday. We wasn't even together.
What may I say to you though? You left a bad taste in my mind.
Fire, please
So listen now,
forgive me.
I have moved on with my life.
But
Right?
I haven't.
But what I'm saying to you though, you probably your move on.
Yeah, but
But
you know
10
what
years, 10
happened?
years passed though. We 10 years, you are now my ex. And the ex is in the past. I have a present girl now. So
But Fire, do you know what happened to me? Why I'm here?
what happened?
What
Do you
happened
know?
to you?
I've been deported back.
You know what I sure? So if I deport back at Jamaica, what you do? Yes or no?
Because I couldn't
Remember,
just
so the
leave
house.
it like how I left it. I wanted to see it.
When I get
apologize to
deported? When
you.
did he get deported?
Only, yesterday.
No. I saw you in the town one day. I saw you sit on the scene.
How could you
Me
see
come
me when
and
I
say,
went?
listen up. I come and talk to my woman and tell her I saw somebody like you. You never sure for you? When I drive past,
That couldn't
I
be me.
saw
I can show you
you.
my paperwork.
What I'm saying to
Probably
you,
someone
though,
like me, but I'm
Hello,
telling you,
you see-
it was yesterday. And I
you
can show
are
you.
good pan lie.
I don't need to lie to you. Look at it.
Last week, see a family member of yours.
Yes.
Boy.
Mm-hmm.
Me and tell somebody say your auntie come fast. But me, I take a joke from me because them chat with me. Some of them they are praying
I was
too much.
talking to them when I was.
No, he was telling somebody that you and them lived, they get deported. But me tell a joke them there. Me never follow up your argument. Me say one glimpse side, but me say I can't not me here still. But now you're here. That means you and them not get along then.
They kicked me out.
So you tell me liars will come now. So you just can't tell the truth.
I can, but I didn't want you to think.
Alright, I went to
called
work.
My family and
I went to work the morning. So the way you move, and like say, something where you does, get up and do. It was something that you planned or to the T.
I didn't.
So as I make some bum and I gone to work, you're on the flight, I go so listen. You have to do every little thing. You never have no visa. You never have nothing at all. But you make a wreck. That means you plan it.
Fire.
You know a story that remind me of the lady that worked in the bank.
Are you gonna give me an opportunity
Wait, no,
to explain myself?
Listen up. She not in the bank, right? She in a bank at work. She
Are you being sarcastic?
I'm telling you something. She take $30 million. You are to her friend, tell her, Mama, me I go for lunch now, you know. What you want? You want juicy full box drinks and patty and cocoa bread, or you want box food? The friend say, get a box food for me, I'll security girl, so I buy something for you now. And she bam and tap out. See her now, don't see her back. Bam for one plane and go. You do the same thing. Because you see that, you made the news there. You remind me of you, jump back some memories, yo. Woman, wicked. Someone
But man,
wicked.
also wicked as well.
What you
Fire.
have to know? What you do? What you do? That more have to know.
I have nowhere else to go, and I have the baby. Please,
Listen
just
me
help
now.
me out. I will give you. I gave Popeye some money, like what I said, to stash away. So I'm just asking you to just help me out. Please.
Look here now.
I am so sorry.
The place where you left me now, a one bedroom me have an now. One bedroom and I rent me renting.
On the floor.
One bedroom and one woman there already. So what more tell her I say now?
Just tell her I'm your sister and your cousin. In London, I already told her I was your sister.
You will know. This is because I want to see Papa have that money for you, you know. So I go on and now. I go give you one chance. You go sleep at tonight. Tomorrow, we go check Papa. If you get the money, and the money makes sense, oops, you put up a good piece of money down there.
I've been giving him every
Alright, so
month.
I don't really care what you want to do and what you want to say. Sleep at tonight.
And plus, I've got money stashed away
Because-
in her name that obviously she can't touch until she's 18.
I don't listen to words. Just see you get talking doesn't mean much to me anymore because of what you have done. We have talked about buying plane and skyscraper and building bridges and you burn everything done. So right now when you talk, you just go through one ear and go through another. I know you know what you say about that, but anyway, go stay tonight. Tomorrow check Popeye, take out the money thing and go. I go tell my girlfriend say you're my sister. Right? When she come back, not do too much talking. So you just go in bed, go sleep. You just find a spot because the bed are big. Right? Most of the time, me have 3-4 girls here before me talk. So I don't say they can hold 5-6 somebody. So you go sleep on the corner, then woman go sleep all of a sudden, baby go sleep, you go look part two, and then tomorrow bright and early. Do not make your mouth slip in here, you know. Because I don't want my woman to say me a liar, you know. I don't want you to pull me in a lie game, you know. See what you come on, do now? I not tell lies in 14 years, I not tell a lie. And see, you tell a lie now. You are dangerous to man.
Never meant nothing for you.
Mama, you just want to go with my money? You hurt me. You
So
better.
the money mean more to you than when I left here pregnant.
Yeah, because you leave with $10 million.
I left with a belly as
$10
well.
million.
And I left with a belly
All
as
right.
well. Yeah, I may have lost the child, but Fire, why are you so strong and harsh? Why?
What I'm saying though, I don't want you to get the car driving. Sit down. Go for the baby. Car driving. Be on your best behavior. Come in, man. You're going so. You love a frying now, you know.
Oh, friend for foreign, I don't do it.
Yeah, man. My sister this year, you know.
I am back. It hurt me.
Wife to be, you know.
That's right.
Your sister-in-law, right?
Very beautiful.
Yeah, man. I've never seen a girl beautiful like this, a girl like yet at Jamaica. There's not another girl who pretty like that girl. Yeah, man. Sister, a right choice, right? Yeah, man.
Hey, oh, she's smiling with me. Come here. Come here.
All right.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Keisha.
Keisha.
Yeah.
Yeah, Keisha, yeah, one of my sister. I don't know if you need it, that's why I don't talk about that much, yeah?
Yeah, we fell out.
Because fear,
Contact.
she used to, when small, remember one night time, she fight me off, right? And bite off my toe with the dumpling. Bite my toe, yeah.
We can't take them story right at all, but
Yeah, man, but
tomorrow we listen to them. Yeah, I'm going to video.
I'm going to tell you, say,
Do I change up phone calls? I just put on this still, I just leave out.
sister, we don't sleep late, just so you know.
Yeah.
So you just give us a space and just some.
Okay. Thank you so very much.
I'll go to the go.
For your hospitality. Let me go turn
Turn off the light, turn off the light. Turn off the light, man, okay? So we can't sleep in your light.
Thank you. Play with
Yeah, but
auntie.
early mission, man. What about her like that? What about her she say? She's alive, one door, she roll up and down, but she's happy.
Trust me.
She's
Happy baby.
very happy.
Happy baby.
I swear to me, I tell my woman I have to breathe and get too quickly. When they come
Yeah, I should be the auntie.
Yeah, man.
And you'll have loads of cousins. Desire. Come, we're going to bed now.
Oh, her name is Desire? That's beautiful.
Thank you so very much. We don't go to bed late.
So when are you leaving?
I'm here.
She just come through, man. She soon going back where she come from.
So this way.
Good night. Sweet dreams, everyone.
Same to you.
Thank you.
Nah, man, you know. I cannot tell you work all day today. How do you look one? Look one alright?
Yeah, she's fine. Thank you. Thank you for everything again, King.
Well, you do the king bad, you know. I tell you, you do the king bad. Because at first, we have a mission, you know. Yeah, man, we have a mission of certain things to go on. You know what I mean? And
I know.
10 years ago, 10 years past, I still have a lot of feelings to you, but may I tell you,
I didn't stop loving you. I just wanted more for us.
No, but if you want more for us, and you take all of my money,
I didn't do it.
you drain the account out and you fly off.
But
And when I call you up on the phone couple times, I say send $100. You say, dirty boy, dirty rasta, something you tell me if you go kiss out and lick out. I'm surprised.
I'm apologizing for that. I was ignorant. I was young. I was foolish. And I still love you. If I didn't love you, I wouldn't, be here. It doesn't matter. I diss everyone for you, and...
No. And I'm here this time for your ambition. Because everybody love I. If you own a family, come check I and cry to I say, oh, you want wicked piece of girl. Right? Then I know what me see now you say right then. Me say me in love with you and make you access to all of me. I cut your G and them dry.
And they also it was also them that I helped in the process while cleaning out the account. I didn't mean to. I didn't want to, but I thought, you know what? I was gonna file for you in the end and you were supposed to be with me. It wasn't meant to happen like that, and I'm sorry. I am so sorry, King. Please forgive me. There's nothing that I want more but to rekindle our relationship, and I'm sorry that I hurt you.
At the same time,
and I'm so grateful for you.
Yeah, you know why you use on chica every time? You fancy word them. You want rekindle and all of the things them what you want to do. You ever ask her what I want to do yet?
What do you want to do? I am asking you now.
She don't know.
I'm sorry.
Yo, she don't know. You not even know what really going to take place. You see me I say? Because I realize that you don't understand yourself. Because we have a plan. Look for house and land on the place. Which are own house and land. The amount of money you take an investment when they plan put the money in. Don't the baby understand me I say. Don't the baby feel the energy. If you know say. What you do? No normal. So anyway still, why plans now at the back of Jamaica?
The plan is to pick up where we left off and try to build together.
What I'm saying to you now, where we left off, are you clearing out my account? So I say you come, you plan to clear it rest right then.
No, I plan
because
to
rebuild back, alright.
King, I said to
yes,
you,
yes.
I plan to build with you.
Alright.
That's all. I want to just give you back what I took from you and more on top of that.
Alright. So you went over there, right? And you will get yourself in a trouble to lend deep you. Right? Now this is where you're born and this is where you're at now. You can't go back over there now.
I know that.
You can't go back over there. But what have you done in the 10 years that you're over there? As you come back with a child, you multiply. God bless you for that. You be fruitful and multiply. You never, every time I put my fruits into you, you ensure.
I was pregnant when I left, King. And
what happened in there?
I lost the baby.
Who put your last in on the roadside?
No, I had a miscarriage. So what did you expect? I was so stressed. I was torn.
Oh, you feel stressed when I take you all of my money?
Yeah, whether to
you
take
you all of my money
or not.
You take you all of my money. Are you stressed? What about me?
I am so sorry. Please try and forgive me. I'm gonna make this up to you. I wasn't just there 10 years squandering. I was
Where money
saving,
there?
I was investing.
Where money there?
It's here. It's in our account.
Listen me, you can't fool me,
the baby account. King, have I ever?
The people that give me information say you come back home.
That's
say the problem where you get into them sees all of your money. Because it have something to do with money. So all you got them saying that account, you go get your account.
Because it's in her name and they can't touch her account.
But she can't touch her account till she 18.
King.
So I'm going to wait till she 18. By the time she 18,
I had something stashed differently with my cousin here.
Oh.
By my dad's side. Not by my mom's side who loves you so much.
Yeah.
But by my dad's side.
Hey! Oh, Papa, you give money for stash?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. I write somebody give money. Because boy, I pull off,
What?
You're fool. Yes. If a papa you give the money, I see why the boy a flash somebody. If you buy me a box of beer all the time you see my party.
But that's our money. What?
Under my money. I feel your money under my money. That.
It's your money as well. What you saying, King?
What me say to you now though? I
forgive you. But I not forget, you know. I not forget nothing.
If it takes me a lifetime, King, listen to me, to make it up to you, I will do that. And I'll show you how much I love you and I want to build with you a future.
Do you know that where you left eye, so my money take out of the account and never my money, me end up have to sell the house.
I didn't.
So when me then now, me then a rent house. And me go take you put in at the rent house, me in a. Me have my woman when me live with now, you know. Yeah. So when so you die yard and now, me have to go pretty up the thing and now to make, me don't know what more tell her I say. Because she asked me, who is you? Me I tell her, you're my cousin.
Well, we're gonna be good cousin, innit? Until I have you, have your next fruitful
So
child.
what me I say now? It's a rough road. And I tell her to charge careful upon the road there.
Please, King, please.
I go up to the yard. The reason I drive out of the yard because me have to talk to you.
Yes.
Because it then in my brain. But anyway, me I tell her say, any side you sleep on the same side again.
Yes.
Because I did plan to take a plane, you know. Because I know say they now give the visa, you know. But some of them say, not the place where your luggage go. Don't they go freeze in. That's why I not go on there. Because I plan to pack myself in one suitcase and fold up on it so neatly. And put the address on you you live over there like me. I drop out me right here doorstep. I put myself in one little box and then FedEx me right here yard. When I open it, surprise.
And if you had died, what happened then?
No, me not go dead.
Devastation.
No, I figure it out. I would have never dead. I would have never dead.
King, but you know I loved you. I never loved anyone more than you.
Let me tell you one thing. You can fool some people with your love story, yeah? But anyway, cut off a love argument. You say give Papa the money for lock off.
Yes.
I go bring you down to Papa now.
Yes.
And then you, anything you have left back, you get what left. But me know say in left. Anything you give him, in take that for himself and a spend it. So we go see. I carry straight on and you go link him now. So all you have to know say, you know, you're the on time, you know. So what you wrong to give me money? Caution. Don't get too violent.
When I tried to get hold of you, there was no response, and then I heard that you were, you know, with your girl or whatever you're not. So what could I have done? I tried reaching out to you many occasions and there was no response. So what did you expect me to do?
One thing I said to you, you know, don't really announce the story. Don't really announce the story. Announce the story, then go come. Kick out. Oh. I don't really want to know too much about what you do want to do, and what you bang go do, and what your name do, and what you... I tell you, say, you do what you do already, and one song playing on my mind straight through all the time. Too late to apologize. I sing that song every day. Too late.
It's never too late to apologize, Skin.
Too late. Yo.
Okay, we're not children here, we're grown up.
Oh.
And we have to grow up. We were younger then. 10 years ago, we were young. Come on, haven't you done something stupid in your life that you wish that you could go back?
Yes! The day I'm putting name in my account every day. I wish I could go back and check your name out of it. So you got the bank and lock up your backside. You know they are jail if you want 10 years for fraud. That's what I serve you well. Oh, what else are you living? Over there we are going. Take your time, come on.
Different.
You get a nice baby by the way.
This baby should have been yours, but I told you I lost the baby. And
Yeah, alright. I don't blame you. You never die. You never die when everything you go on. I don't blame you. You're a baby. I wish you could talk to your mother. Come on over here, so. Popeye! On the whole dog. On the whole dog.
Hello?
Yeah, Popeye did that.
Hello?
Whole dog.
No dog, no day here.
Excuse me, good day.
No dog is not
Good day.
here.
Where's my cousin? Who are you?
I'm Popeye's first wife.
This is sound contrary.
Very.
Like they harmonize you. What you say a while ago?
I'm Popeye's girlfriend.
So who is she?
I'm Popeye wife.
Me and Tommy, wife and wife.
So where's my cousin?
What
Since
Popeye
you-
did though?
When would he be back?
I've got business. Business?
No, no,
Call him next time. It's not
Popeye,
here.
I can see you behind them. Why are you sending them out? Do I need to come in there and get you?
Really?
Come out,
Popeye
excuse
is
me.
not-
You know who I am already.
When you see
What
my
is
cousin-
this flipping and rape? Who is she?
No, cause don't mind them. Don't mind.
Who is that?
They are just some friends.
You need to get that
What
in
friend?
control.
Look what-
What friend?
You need to get
friend?
that into
What is
control.
that?
What friend? Let her that.
You're that. Who are you? Who are you?
What is that? What?
No, who is she? I know who she are. Who are you?
Cause
Yeah,
my
the-
clan.
Yeah, come with that.
What?
You are that.
Come, give
You
me-
are that.
Give me a little cousin. Come, little cousin. What
Popeye.
So,
Yeah.
I'm great. I want them buy one box of beer party. That is party nice.
Tell her.
Painted. One of them party with Shell Long.
So what about the money
What money, cuz?
that I gave you? They've dipped me, so I need that
You just
money
get the pan
now.
come back home.
No, cuz you should make them dip here. No. Why you make them dip here? No.
Papaya had no choice. That's why I gave you the money for the rainy day.
Alright. No move me, cousin. No move. Let me see what. What? Get some money.
You know all of this and still never said nothing until we drove literally.
Let me tell you
Are you
something.
trying to punish me? This
Me not
happened
so-
10
I
years
do not
ago. We
res-
were younger.
Cousin.
Oh, your money there, man.
What the? What's this, Papaya? What is this you're giving me?
It's left, cousin. That's what I'm saying. I love
Papaya,
it.
can you
Video.
hold the baby 1 minute?
What I'm saying.
No, hold the baby 1 minute. I need to really
They
look
love
at
it. Dip your
what is,
mouth.
you're disrespecting me after all this money. My hard-earned money that I worked and sent here.
Why did you send the money in the
Come on,
bank?
man.
Why you send the money in the bank?
I sent it in there. She can't touch it till she's 18, yeah?
Yeah, but the money was
You
sent to
know,
him.
I sent
It's
it to
to
him
him.
and I told him bank it. And he
No.
didn't bank it.
Rasta.
When she have a mother Mary.
Yes, when the cousin send me money.
Yeah.
I think she said, enjoy yourself, my cousin. Every time you send the money, it's enjoy yourself.
Enjoy. I didn't. I said I sent something different for you and also send the money. So what you did was squander it.
But you said, enjoy yourself.
That you enjoy yourself, look at you.
I tell you. I tell you.
Popeye, what am I supposed to do with my child now that we're here? What? Come on.
That's how we go.
And if I hit you over the head with something, you hear I'm wicked.
I'm going to work back in money, but it's going to take so much years, 20 years. You can't find that in Jamaica.
Just bullshit.
Alright.
Money the too sweet.
Yeah, now. You see, unfair gameplay twice. How much money she gave us? 2 million, 3 million, 4?
Probably about 5,
I gave you 5.5. 5.5, Popeye.
5. Well, you know when you catch in Jamaica, you know.
You never learn.
It's done.
Yeah, but anyway, that's a lesson. She go in mind too. 10 years ago. You know the story.
That's
So.
like a cousin. You have to
Oh,
understand.
so because 10 years ago, yeah, your friend, your best friend, who's my partner, had nothing to do with you, you're siding now. That's how it's gonna be.
Daddy, you say if I know, you should give back 1 million out tight, but it's not still.
Wait, Daddy, when that the money touch your hand, it goes, shoot! Gone. You see, 2 women there. Then he enough.
Because you see big mouth one day.
And plus, when they are party for the money pull up. You want?
No, Daddy.
You were spending
Yo.
my heart.
Yo, no. The man make a money pull up what the you know. You see when sing that song about.
So me and my daughter is gonna starve now.
No, listen.
Is that what it comes down to?
Sugar.
So
can't, no.
she's innocent in all of this.
can't,
So
Can't stop at
Sugar.
Jamaica.
We have sugar.
Oh, you have to starve at Jamaica when fruits are drop off of the tree.
Popeye.
Listen to me. Protege
don't
say
even
you
go
can't- you
there.
can't hungry at
You're
Jamaica.
happy because what happened
Well,
to
then
you
protege.
is happened back to me, innit?
No, listen now.
It's okay, calm down.
Protege say
Everyone's
poverty
What
no
happened to
real
you,
then.
Rasta? What happened to you?
No man, you see she take my money and go here foreign with it.
So-
Me not tell nobody the story. She go here foreign with my money.
So,
She never send me no money come. Every time I call her, dirty boy, no, she get deep. She and her family no deal. Right? So everybody
You're the
my
so I
yard.
can't make a child.
She done my
So
yard.
suppose you can't cut with them, man.
That's why she
What do
can't.
you mean can't? You of all person let me down, papaya.
No,
Anyway.
you go away with his money, cousin.
It
I'm
has
sure you go away
nothing to
with
do with you.
A jar.
Nothing to do
A
with
while ago, I said, I'm not going to go and help, but when we realize it's thief in money, because the thief
and
really
thief, Jalaf. Come on. Yo.
equal.
Go get back to your girl. Your daddy. Mama, I have to walk up for yard now. Come on, wait for me.
Cousin, try and work out. That's
Don't
what take back
touch
over
me,
from.
don't you.
Hello.
Oh.
Tomorrow I'm gonna carry down to the site, make a lift from bucket down there.
What?
You lift from bucket? No, make sure you.
I'm not lifting any bucket. You're going
So
to
you
get
go
my
eat.
money back from Popeye for us.
Me go get back money.
Yes, you are.
Hey, I went since we done get back money.
Yeah. So you're going to get back the money because you were instigating it. Because what happened to you
Hello.
and me and you 10 years ago?
I didn't know that
knew.
you were sending money
You knew.
to Popeye. Because if I knew that, I would have tried getting 1 million or 2 million out of it. Because, tell her first thing first, when I ask if you have money, you cannot give me. Well, over here it's hard. People
It
think
is
that
hard.
foreign is a better rose. I have no money. I have no this. Some say about the money take out. Oh, yeah, made it there. You work out that the money there. Some say, alright. Start back over. I start back anew.
King, I keep telling you.
Me get
when
a
I
second
left-
hand. Me have a second hand market. And me I go on the road through and I survive. Me live now like a tenement house. But still me have enough room today. You will catch it there for a while. But I tell you, it's not your home. You have to go find a way to survive. Know that you're back a yard. Know that you're back a yard, you have to put your shoulders to the wind. If you have to go sell on one bar, or if you go dance on one pole, you do what you do because this
With
is
my
Jamaica.
little daughter.
No, she not gonna go. She can't
Oh,
turn a
so
yard.
what are you going to do then?
She's gonna stay home and you go and run the road and make the money. If you have to sell cheap chip, no matter what you have to sell, just sell something. Yeah. If you want, you feel like you want good piece of scammer, you go sell land, run off you. Just sell it and run.
Okay. I'll take your advice and
So
hand
just
myself
do-
up in,
just do something.
and go to prison, leave my daughter again.
Them can't dip your fire so.
Oh, but they
But
can
then
lock
dip
me
your
up.
father so. Then we lock you up, that good. Because you do wrong. So continue wrong. Wrong make you make
So
you do
how?
well.
What kind of advice are
Wrong
you
carry
giving?
down foreign, wrong carry back. Everything good.
So you say you're on fire. You hear me?
I can hear you.
Well, how long since you gone to London? You moved to London?
I've been in London for 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
Oh. So, you know the girl who run off with fire money?
You said if I know what?
The girl who run off with fire money.
No, I don't. Do you know her?
No, I don't.
What do you know of her?
Well, Friday I tell my little story saying it's like him have this girl and him trust her around back or something and he put her name in a bank or something like that and she run out all her money.
It's rough. It's really tough when a person does something like that. But do you know?
Say never hear about it before.
It's news to me.
But to know sister and brother.
Remember, we've been out of touch for a little while, like what he told you. So, you know, been a lot happened during that time as well.
So since I grew up together, right?
Yeah, we grew up together.
So since we grew up together, What is it? Alright, since I your brother, right? You say your brother. So you know your favorite food, right?
Probably is grown out of that. Literally, come on. When you're a child to when you're an adult, there's stuff that you like though, and there's stuff that you don't like, right? There's stuff that you would have knowing if when you were growing up, it was nutrition for you, but
Since
it's
the last
now.
time you guys see each other? Alright, since you go over, when was the last time you guys
What's
spoke?
all these 21 questions? Are you a cop?
No, but
My
that's
sister-in-law. I'm glad the
No, but that's
conversation,
one.
but why all this question? Are you a police officer?
The reason more of us watch question is because more married to him. And
Really?
Yes. And give him half dozen pitney, which that is 6.
I tell my sister-in-law, you would have been the perfect one, you know, to give him half a dozen.
Just kiss my hand.
Oh, I'm just so excited, my love. I'm so excited. Sorry, babes. I'm so... You know, you're beautiful. I'm looking forward to those half a dozen nieces and nephews.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna have some little cousins.
Yeah. You know what would make them so healthy, babes? When I was pregnant, I used to drink a lot of Coke and Boom, you know, and Pepsi. That gives them, you see how she's healthy and she's heavy and vibrant. Girl, you need to get down to that, my love.
Alright.
That is what you need.
Okay. I guess.
So just let me know when you're pregnant and I can buy you a case of Boom or a case of Pepsi, you know, or Coca-Cola. Whichever one, just let me know.
That's
okay,
sweet.
my sister-in-law, anything for you and my brother, just to make you guys happy.
Alright, take me on something food. I'll look for something outside.
Okay, see you in a bit. Really.
Who that? The door open.
Hi, girl. Hi. Oh, good.
Yeah. So you look sexy that night, yeah. Where you go?
Thank you. I will go and check. Tell me how boring.
Is everything good with you? Hey, girl, I could have to buy one for this evening, but I could wait for the chicken every Friday. The man tell me 7 minutes. 7 minutes pass. Then he tell me 10 minutes now. You just give up and walk away. But anyway, I'm glad that you come over. What do you have for your mate over there live good?
Which mate you talk about?
The same matey. The same girl come from England or London, wherever she want to come from.
What do you mean by matey?
So you tell me say you don't know say you fire ex.
What?
Natasha. Yeah, and she want baby and what thing.
She have a baby over there, yes?
One little brown short pitney.
Yeah.
I fire ex Natasha. Your matey.
Are we really listen to me? You know what? Say no more. Tell them to come over here, big up yourself. Then go over me here.
I'm gonna go do no foolish.
What you mean? Me need to start out things called this now and go so.
You know, your friend.
You know what?
I think that she already are going to share the
You're talking nice, because I don't know so much things. You know people business too much. But thanks still, because if I never even want to find out.
Just come here road, but we know everything.
So you're my girl, you know, no worry. Yeah.
Pasa.
Hi, sister.
Please.
Bring back for me.
No, I'm not sister. Here. What's all this attitude about?
What do you mean all this attitude about me don't find out, say? You are not my sister-in-law. You are my boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, and your name is Natasha. Natasha. Yes, smile, right?
I didn't want to, like...
All is well, the baby's on the ground.
Thank you. I didn't want it to come out this way, but I had nowhere to go. I didn't want to deceive you.
Well...
And I didn't want him to put him in any predicament.
Well,
I apologize, I know.
No, you're alright, you know. But me not gonna stay. It's either you go or me go.
Don't worry, I'll go with my daughter. I understand. And
so, by the way, where is my boyfriend?
He left to go on the road to get you some stuff. So why is your attitude like that towards me?
No, because...
I'm my daughter.
No.
I done apologize to you and I said I'm sorry. I didn't even want to put fire in this position.
Look here, let me tell you this now.
I
shouldn't even have to go on the road and hear that.
Yeah, but I was here before you. What did you expect? He was just, even though it was 10 years, he was just going to throw me and my daughter and never let us stay. Please, have a conscience and have some compassion.
Look here.
You were even talking about having children. How could you say that or even talk about it's you or me? Come on. If
no,
you
it's
had
either
a child,
you or me. You know what? Me never seen this and miss.
You don't need to stay into the mess because like what I said, I will go. Because at the end of the day, I don't know what he saw in you. You have no heart. You're a heartless bitch.
Oh my God. Come please, take up a bag.
Oh,
I'll take a picture.
whatever, you little bitch.
That's nice. Hard to say.
Yeah, it's hard to say whatever. Have a nice life. If anything happens to me and my daughter, it's on you and him, okay?
Thank you, bye. Look at this bright feisty. I mean, I was stay with him because he's too feisty. Bring woman come here and feel like I saw you go. All this well, this earth can come.
Banana cheese, baby, alright?
Hello, don't get no banana cheese to me. Get banana cheese to you and your baby mother.
Good, that go.
Your baby mother when you there here, we know all about it. You don't have to hide it no more.
Yeah, that's what I want to tell you.
And she gone. And me go wet too.
No, you listen. You not hear me out.
Me I hear it all.
Alright now. The night when I like you know, and beg me please like she want to spend one night because she know the deport her as she run out with my money. Right?
So me here.
So she tell me say yes, me and her sister. Just because she want to stay here, but because of the baby statement, she don't want to run out on the road, don't run with the baby. But she there for too long still.
So when you never just tell me that from start, you make me hear a thing, say your sister.
I truly know say kind of edgy. I mean, he look bad. He look really, really bad. You have an ex in here and have the present woman in the same time. You don't know no dealings.
If I just tell me from the day she come here, mother have a heart and say yes. I
don't want to stay anyway. She gone.
She gone.
Break it down because she did.
I mean, I think me will stay and I think me will go too.
Calm down.
Because them foolishness and me can't believe she told me that for a long time.
I should have done wrong.
I never tell me.
I should have told you. I should have told you. I apologize, but here what? That girl are getting a problem because I told her, you know, so I do not want to tell her no lie, you know. Because for me and no dealings, but she just wants to stay because she get deported. Me not sorry for you, you know. Which I kick her out, one thing I see everybody could be a bit. That me I tell you. She must come back with her brother, they must stay. Come and want her in the first place because you know. He said, Papa, when you give me some money, I don't get no money from Papa. Because money you send me to Papa spend half the money. But if you like back to my money, where? Steal for me. So no matter bet me because of this.
Me vex, of course. I mean, me finna vex. Yo.
Me can banana cheese. You love banana cheese, you know.
Me love banana cheese.
Remember, say this music and get you now. This music and get you. This is your favorite. So me enter to my body. Sorry, yeah. Sorry. So you don't cook? You cook?
Me not cook no. Me live on the road the whole day. And me just reaching.
Sorry about that.
And me there call the phone and I get you. Why me never there get your phone?
Listen, the reception bad. For me, they don't know wrong with the phone. The reception bad. Ah, boy.
I mean the connection bad.
I tell them, boy, life is a hell of a way though. Look at the girl run off with all of my money and don't get deep back. Yeah, I don't know.
Me don't want to talk about that right
now. It's a coincidence, you know.
Cause me I get upset.
What goes around comes around, you know.
Me
she should have the money and we could have thief on her, you know. She doesn't even know. Sorry about that, though, man. We shall tell you.
You know, something look like saying hurt you because if it look here.
No, you don't know.
That not look like saying hurt
happy
you.
says she get deported. That is it, you understand? Because she don't have money. Auntie she should try and go palav over there in a foreign country. And he just get deep and jump back on his face. So you have to come back a full year and an anchor.
I'm not even want to hear that, yeah, man. Do what I have to do.
No worry about that, man. No, nobody vex myself.
Leave me alone, make me vex. Me have my right to vex.
You have a right to vex, man. I'm not get involved. I'm all a show. Come on for a road. There? All a show.
Come here that far.
Yeah, forward your back.
Stop getting me upset, you hear?
You see, you mash up my headphone.
You mash up my headphone?
Then look how you mash up my headphone.
Yeah, go like say you mash up things to me. Don't feel about that now.
You ever see mash up my here?
I mash up my headphone.
And you mash you.
Yes, I use headphone.
Me see you with it last night.
I do what? Do you what?
I play music, connect it to your phone and you play music in your ears.
Sure. No, how much of your feet? Mash up. Who that?
Sister, it's your sister and your niece are here.
Where's she again?
She again.
Come on, I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have anywhere. Me and my daughter. I'm not going anywhere. Please.
Where are you tonight to the picnic?
Because obviously, you know, Fire's girl found out everything.
Auntie, what are you doing here?
I don't have anywhere, Lisa.
You're so miserable. Where I come from?
Then I don't have anywhere to go.
Nobody.
Sorry. Listen, I don't even want to speak.
So you're just about you, so.
What's wrong?
I don't have anywhere else to go.
Bob, put the baby on the bed. Yeah. Give me the baby. Take up her bag.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna change my ways. Do what I need to do. I'm so sorry. I'm stupid and I'm gonna make it up to all of you. I promise.
Sit.
Sit right here.
I know what I did was wrong, but please forgive me, my bro. I'm so sorry.
You have some swipe off our face there. You outside that smoking, you hear it?
Thank you so very much, Barbara. I'm sorry.
me please one come out of the place when I'm gone. To me get me no girl and now you're not contributing nothing to the table. You don't have nothing to bring to the table right now.
Please, oh God, you know how
What you gonna do? You sit down every day about your craving, you not do nothing in the yard. Nothing you not bring to the table, man. Go on, man. Go on, you no, You tell me that 150 times, say, yo, baby, I'll stop smoking cigarette, you know, I'll stop, I'll chill. No, I lock my place, I'll go away. So, go on the merry way. Don't go back in my place. Listen to me. You see, if me ever catch you come back in my place, a police may bring you. If you take you out of there, yeah?
do that?
Every time me come from work, me have to either go buy a back suit or me can look for something for myself. That's what I do every day. I sit down in the phone and I burn one craving here. Me no depend that. Me no depend no. Please, right now. Come. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. Go on. No come back, no step foot back on this property again. You hear me say? What me say? Go on in front of me yard. You embarrassment. Every day me have to go buy a back suit. Why sense me have you in there?
Well done, Baba. You're having your morning porridge, yeah? So hot here. Miss London. Mommy gotta find herself a sugar daddy, right? It's a beautiful morning, baby. Staying at my brother's house, I don't want to, but God, if I make it, I'll help him this time because I know I did him wrong. Boy, Lord God send me a knight in shining armor. Hey? Knight in shining armor.
Good morning.
Oh, morning. Hi. You want to talk to my brother? Are you here to see my brother?
No, man. I don't come to your brother, man. I'm a contractor for you upstairs.
Okay, you're a little bit too young for a contractor.
Well, you have a point still, you know, but I get tell enough times, say, me young and me enough thing come my way and me manage it. You understand? So, this a baby thing for me right now, so. What's your name though?
My name is Natasha.
Oh, Natasha. Okay, I'm Russian by the way. Yeah, so may I make a call right now, right? So have a good morning, eh?
You too.
Alright.
You look so handsome.
Alright, so nice meeting you, yeah, Natasha?
Same to you, darling.
Alright.
There you go, Mama.
Yeah, morning boss. Yeah, I'm there on the ground. Yeah, man, I see. But the decking have to take down first though before we get to any further, right? Yeah. But you would have to give me 6 million to keep everything up because once the decking don't take down yet, yeah, means work get expensive nowadays. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So you can just wire half of the money in my account. I will just get to work on this because you see I want it right now to rent out, so I'll match up in it. Yeah. So I'm going to send you the account number and everything, you get everything started, right? So by tomorrow now we can get you the material and everything and start. Yeah. That's alright. I'll send you the account number now. Yeah. Yeah, printer. Yeah. I work me a link up on, man. Yeah, we get a 1 month work. Yeah, big money, 7 million. Yeah, so you know more I do more link up here and meet with them. Some labor. Yeah, to get this thing done immediately. I understand, so we don't want to stay for one or too long. Yeah, so link them and make me know. Yeah. Alright, stay safe, bird. Yeah. Alright, nice meeting you again, Miss Natasha.
Oh, yeah, nice meeting you as well. One moment, please. I told you to send the $500,000 in my account. I've got the contractor here, and I'm looking for land to buy. So how many days is that gonna take? Seriously? Like literally, I asked because I'm here in Jamaica now. I'm looking for land. Hurry up and get a move on. I've got the contractor here and I'm gonna ask him. Yes, I will. I'll ask him. And please get it done, get it sorted. Yeah, because I'm here in Jamaica. The $500,000 that I told you to send. Yes.
Hey, Janice.
Please just get it sorted.
I'm calling my dear. I'm telling him saying
I'm here, I'm gonna speak to
that
the contractor. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Bye. Hi. I'm not trying to jump into anything, but I'm just looking for some piece of land to just build on, and I'm not trying to.
London kind of scarce out there right now.
Okay.
Hard to get piece of land out there.
Your suggestion would be?
We'll have to go. We'll have to check about what the land is.
Okay.
I'm so supposed to have 2 bedrooms inside that land.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting because I've just come down and I'm just not. I'm not looking for a gold digger or anything.
From London?
From London. I'm not looking for a gold digger. I'm not looking for anyone. I'm just looking for somebody that can build with me and I can build with them. Someone that I could put their name in my account and
but you know,
my name in their account.
Our day, I sit down and I think about that same personality that I look for.
Really?
Yeah.
It's nice to know that
they
are something and
still
still
hard working youth. I'm doing my work good. I'm a guy. I used to go to university. I'm live early because I want to make some money. You understand? Yeah. So I really
you're young but you're ambitious and I like that.
Yeah. I have a girlfriend that I can depend upon. And you say, if I not have that day, she can't give me a thing and say, go on and work.
Likewise. If you know you need anything and I can help and we're supporting each other, then that would be so perfect, like literally. But I'm looking for somebody that I could build with. I'm not looking for someone that could just tear me down like that.
I mean, I right you want to that.
You think so?
Yeah. So we can't listen me. See me. I have a daughter right now. Me take care of Tuana. Realize me I tell her.
I wasn't looking for a dad, I'm looking for a husband and someone that would
be type of material you have it.
You've got it. You certainly have.
Cheers, it starts. I'm ready, yeah.
If you're ready, I'm game.
Ready. You take your number.
My number is...
But no man, just put in your money.
Okay, thank you. And you can put yours in as well, babes.
I got my babes already.
It's just neutral. The energy, you know, I'm just loving it.
Yeah, connect.
I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, well, give me a second now. I don't go for me or David up and come back. So, me check you back before David. Not going away now.
Okay.
Alright, just stay safe. With a sweet face.
You too.
Right.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
When I'm done with you, honey. A plan. go for a walk. It's too hot in here. There's no fan. I'm just gonna go for a walk with my daughter. It's so hot in there, bro.
You can't carry that, baby. Where you walk go? You know Jamaica? You know the place? You know nowhere?
No, but what is me going right in front of the house, just going up there, right to the container and coming back?
Go
with
there,
the baby.
Go there, go on.
You can see me in vision.
Go on. Yeah,
You always have a problem with everything that I do.
why make your son burn up with it, man?
I won't let it. She's got sun cream on.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you know we're not Jamaica. So come here and know. Tuesday morning, we go check. We go check it. Post office if we see it come.
Good morning, the general.
What go on, you?
Natasha not there.
No, she come up on the road to come back.
When she fall, they tell us and we come check, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Forward. And where they want to give a reason.
Good pull.
Yeah, man. Come in, man. Should be catch for you. Yo, my sister.
Yeah.
I don't like what you see. Jammy Puss, come off from my shoes now, man. I don't like what you see. You might see a nice girl, but... Oh, yeah, I think so, man. Yo, I'm say. Joking.
Why she give me this? What you tell me, sir? You don't say I'm bad man, boy, though. How do you come here, you turn up over this up on your phone and I just listen? I hear drop, Eh?
Yo, alright, do your thing.
But you just want to corrupt my mind down.
No, I'm not corrupt your mind now, but go on. When you go through the thing,
you don't want to take
you can't
hand
come back to me, come say nothing, you know. You depend your own. Do your thing, man.
Think of me make you can't take a head bird?
You say my bad mind, you know.
You're bad man. See to me I get an opportunity to go friend. You don't say she have money, she not give no money down.
Me no want fair money. What of fact, who tell say she have money?
She have money. And then me here say the right side say she want to buy land now.
Yeah, do your thing, man. Come wherever she go and buy land and go on, man.
I'm a bad man, boy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm bad mind, man.
You're not even Jamaican, you're a British baby. I don't know why you're running around like a wild animal. Like, we don't do this. Let's go. It's so hot, baby. Wonder where's... Boy, it's so hot. Literally, baby. Literally hot. Oh, sun, man.
Me just live by here a while ago.
Really?
Yeah, so me come look for you. But your brother up there.
What's happened, baby?
I tell me say you're a good person and me not for put my trust in you and all them something there.
There he goes again. He's just
you're
overprotect.
You're
Thank
hot?
you. It's the baby. It's hot
Oh.
out here. He's just, let me tell you, Rashan.
Yeah.
He's always been overprotected of me from I've been a little girl, from we've been kids.
But you know if you say them something there.
I'm sorry, I'll talk to him about it. He's just overprotective. He doesn't want to see no man. He doesn't want no man with me. He doesn't want to see anyone with me at all.
Me understand.
You understand me? As a brother, he's just overprotective. So thank you for even being so understandable about the situation. But I'll talk to him.
Well,
okay?
Alright, differently though.
Yeah, I missed you. I was thinking about you.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, then worry yourself. Go and come out of your song because we don't want to burn
Yeah, I'm
up.
just gonna go
But
for
me I go for
something.
me yard for sit pan something and come back.
Yeah,
Alright.
I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, so me see you then.
Alright, bye.
You don't know why I put back in place here. You don't know, say. Yeah, auntie. You try to do it.
Black boy, the road.
Yeah, in my car boy, my contractor. Refugee contractor. I don't know, say, if you drop off the board them first before you start hack up a building. Before you even start flashing.
I'm just shooting out no sense.
Excuse me. Yeah, I have a bone to pick with you right now. That literally, why are you telling the contractor that, you know, I'm no good and all of these type of stuff? Well, why don't you want to see better for us? Why don't you want to see better for me that I can help you guys back for what you did to me? Yeah? Because I didn't help you in the first and I want to do something. So what is your problem? It's like, it's always a problem. I'm not staying in your house. You're so freaking contented and conceited with your dirty lies and words. Continue spreading them. I'm not even staying here. Such a cunt.
The contractor man you want.
You go and chat up your mouth, man.
Contractor man you want. Contractor man you can get.
Come on, Jamaica, come and chat to man and you have face the argument. Go on, here.
I don't.
Go on, man.
I don't need to stay here.
Mr.
That's the best thing to do, man.
I'm leaving.
You're
not a good brother. You're so jealous. You're so twisted. Who are you? What do you mean don't come into house? You're so twisted. You're so deluded with everything. Even you, little boy, you best watch your mouth. You best watch your mouth. I'm telling you that. I'm telling you that. You're lucky. You as a brother. Trust me. You're dead to me.
Brother, come out of me yard. If you don't want me to get mad, just come out of me yard. Yo, Bob, sit down right there.
What?
Bob, just sit down, man.
What? What? What you trying to say? What? What? You really gonna let your son talk to people like that? You don't even know nothing. You. What are you on like? Literally. Where?
Just easy, man.
What
we want them, man.
Yeah, talk to your son.
Yeah, it's alright.
You're growing him like a pig.
You know what I mean? To come dig up on the home.
You're growing him like a pig.
Look up muddy yard.
Whatever.
Okay.
Let's go, babe.
Contractor man you want.
Yo, eat your food, man. Yo, eat your food, man. If I chat them, you know, because I don't want to keep them down, you know. In my yard, you know, when we keep them down in my yard, now you think the police are giving me wrong, let them go on, man, and next time can they.
Contractor man you want.
I really respect the fact that you could put my name into your account.
I'm a man of my word. You say me I'll do something, I'll do it to the fullest.
I love that about you.
I'll do it to the fullest. So when you have plan to go back?
Like when I go back to London, because I respect the fact that, you know, you could have just stepped up to the plate. You're taking care of me and the baby, and you're doing like what you said. So I'm a person as well like that. You know, I trust you and I'm in love with you now. You know, I'm happy. But when I go back to London, I would like to take you with me. When I go back to England and put your name in my English account.
So you go.
You know?
So we are going to have a great future.
Yeah.
That's why I just get up this morning at the mood to I say, alright, I'll put your name in my bank account, you know, and settle everything. You understand?
I see that, Rose, and I love that, and I'm so grateful.
Yeah.
It's a good man and a real man I'm looking for to build a future with.
Yeah.
And I love the fact that, you know,
Yeah.
you're stepping up. You're a man.
True.
Good man is hard to find.
But me always grew up, my daddy always said, one hand cannot clap.
Need
You
both
understand?
hands. Yeah. I'm so happy when that sent you in my life. I'm glad. At least I found a good husband, you know?
Yeah.
To help and for me to support my good
Right
husband
one,
as well.
right one. Like I lucky thing come down there.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like, you literally set me
Now
off my
forget
feet.
somebody cut the yard work and mosquito them.
Oh boy, babes, I was about to say that, you know.
Mosquito them,
Oh, people. Daddy, look here. More December birthday.
And how much money for that?
I want it for my birthday.
You know I promise you, you know.
Yeah, I get it.
Let me see.
You will see. You know something I'm not get it.
I try my best, my daughter, man. Because see, you work good in a school, you know. You are going good, man. I try my best.
Alright, Daddy.
I try to do before your birthday. Let me see. Alright.
Yes, Auntie?
Hi, Liz. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm not too bad. I'm literally going on to Canada now. I realized your dad got. Can I speak to my brother?
Yes, you can speak to him.
Thank you.
What going on?
Well, I'm just letting you know that I'm flying now with like Canada. I'm gonna buy a house over there. Then I'm gonna
So you're fine.
set up a business out there. And I have a business for when I come out there, and I'm gonna support you and my nephew and my
No, man. You reach back a foreign. Listen to me, man. Deal with your niece and nephew. You don't have to deal with me, yeah? I'm a good man. So when you reach a Canada?
Well, I reached there yesterday. I wanted to let you know what was going on. I arrived yesterday.
So your blacks never did go married?
Well, you know, things happen. I have to support my family but you guys I have to walk.
No, man. Deal with them. No deal with me, man. You're good, man.
Well, what I would like to do is first, I'm going to settle, literally buy myself a house. That's what I need to do, bro. See, for one, I know we haven't got enough on the right foot, but let's start fresh now, okay?
Where you get money from?
Big business for you, for your niece, for my niece, for my nephew, and for everyone. I'm gonna buy my house. I want you to fill a shop. I'm gonna send some money as soon as I'm settled and I bought the house, okay? And let's continue to support my niece and nephew.
Alright.
So if anything happens,
Alright, bye. Do not laugh, bye. We talk again, man. But you can call for your phone. Talk to your auntie. You don't say a shit.
Bye, Auntie.
alright,
Love you too. Bye.
So I'm going to say so she pause. Because she know me, you know. You deal with me now first, so you deal with me now second and the third. That idiot, man.
She said she gonna buy one house.
Yeah, where she get money from so quick? Liar them, she have money already. Your food them coming and walk now. I'm looking and see nobody. Catch up. How are this?
My sister got the whole of my money and stuff.
The sister gone with the whole of your money.
Yeah. The whole of my money to get the billions, everything. She got with 6 million.
Me never know one you.
You should have listened to you.
You should have listened to me. You come and start ball. Wipe off your tears. Come here and talk to you already. So no man stay on the look skirt and him something.
1 million after you left me with.
1 million she left her with.
Yo.
Go on, go mad. I go find all sitting to build up the people them house.
1 million when she left with can't even buy material. Build people, done people them houses.
Yo, you there for your own. Remember me sit down in the same chair. I tell you say when you come back, you go there for your own. You there for your own, me dad. She just called me, you know. You know where she there?
Well, 3 people them a call.
You know where she there? Canada. I plan to buy a house.
Mr. Tomlinson.
Hello?
Yeah, you know some of our I say to give you a call and find out how far the house reach.
That's the only problem. So, my account and take out all my money.
No, Mr. Tomlinson, stop run joke. What do you mean by the hacky account?
Sorry to tell you this, but they take out all my money. Not even 100 cents, no less than 90. We buy material.
Mr. Tomlinson, you know that daddy work hard to send that $7 million. And if we can get back our $7 million, the law gonna be involved. So I'm gonna call daddy right now and tell him that is what's going on. I'm finished that. Just make sure you wire about daddy money in his account.
Come out of my house, because you move like a kid. Let's say you're going to jail for people the money.
Come on now.
Me not tell you right as I say, me call you and see me can sit down here so. I me tell you never know, but me I tell you. Me I tell you say, I don't like where you see.
Daddy, what him on?
Me tell him for go on.
I tell you, I have to go and get my money for your sister.
You go get back the money for your sister. They say if she ever do
and you want woman?
No. They say if she send me money come give me, we build on our house.
Yes.
Cause trick for trick and some stay all on now. Think we are idiot. We want you already. Go on. Come make care of the or something. And find the way how to fix the people in the house. You don't look like you're a contractor right now. Can you not even see say see the need for job first before you even start a up with something? Go on where you go here, man.
Give you a piece of Adidas slippers.
Find the one you say you want.
Want woman and get woman.
Definitely.